I'm Florence Anderman, publisher of recipesforus.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create the stunning Bird of Paradise napkin fold. Place your napkin on a flat surface, backside up, fold in half horizontally, and then fold in half again, so you have a square. Press along the folds and then turn the napkin so that the open ends are facing towards you. Fold in half upwards, diagonally, to form a triangle, so the open ends are now facing away from you, and make sure that the single layers are on top. There is this thick bit which should be at the bottom. Fold the right and left hand sides across and downwards so that their edges meet in the middle, and it forms a sort of long diamond shape. Then turn your napkin over, fold the extended points upwards, just fold it over the top so now you have a triangle. Finally, fold the triangle in half vertically along the centre seam, and holding on to the base firmly, start pulling the pointy layers out. Should be 4 of them.